Welcome to 502 Dean Drive in Owosso. This home sits on just over a half acre and is located on a dead-end street and features a one-car attached garage. As you enter this home, you are welcomed into a living room that features hardwood floors, a large bay window that floods the room with natural lighting, and a wood-burning fireplace that adds to the charm of this home. The kitchen is good sized with plenty of storage and countertop space, and all the appliances are included. There is a nook off the living room for a dining room table or room in the kitchen for an eat-in style kitchen. All 3 bedrooms feature hardwood floors and are conveniently located next to the bathroom. The backyard has plenty of space with mature landscaping and trees, a play set, shed, and lots of room. There's a pear tree and apple trees, a large asparagus patch, beautiful Japanese maple, a tamarack tree, and much more. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga with Keller Williams First. If you'd like to see this home or have any questions, please do not hesitate to call or text at 517-712-8009.